Can you download Gumroad files for free? According to Google, no, you cannot download Gumroad files for free because they are not offered as free downloads by the creator. So Gumroad is a platform for creators to sell digital products, and downloading files generally requires a purchase. So while itself doesn't charge a subscription fee, it does take commissions on the sales. So to download the file, you must have purchased it from the creator, and the download link is typically found in the original purchase email or through the creator's Gumroad library. So basically, Gumroad is a sales platform. It allows the creators to sell digital products like ebooks, music, software, and more. And by purchasing is usually required in order to download the file. So it's not free. Well, there are free downloads that are possible because some creators may offer certain files or products for free. But if you want to download everything for free, then that's not possible. And downloading purchase items. So if you purchase an item, you can usually receive a download link in your email or just access it through your Gumroad library. And no, you cannot bypass the payment process because that's not really possible. And that's how you can basically download Gumroad files for free.